Welcome back. Welcome to the weekend. Unfortunately, it's going to be kind of a cloudy, dreary weekend across Acadiana. Some rain chances tomorrow, but not a whole lot of rainfall expected. But that's going to start to change, especially as we head into early next week, Monday night into Tuesday. Heavy rainfall threat looking to take shape, and we'll discuss that in a little bit more detail coming up in a second. But let's get a check of the satellite radar composite. Did have a frontal boundary push through the area earlier today. As a result, temperatures did fall through the course of the afternoon and this evening. Most of us in the upper 50s at the top of the hour. The showers kind of lagging behind the front, so we did unfortunately have to deal with some of those mostly light showers through this evening for any of your Friday evening plans. But again, thankfully nothing too terribly bad, and that's going to remain the case overnight tonight, at least for some of you. Here's the upper level pattern, active subtropical jet stream, and that is going to keep the cloud cover with us not only through the weekend, but for the better part of next week. And again, still with this in place, could see a few of those light showers, kind of misty sprinkles over the next, we'll say 12 to 18 hours. Now, Power Doppler 3, again, still indicating some light showers out there up towards northern Allen Parish. And as we zoom in a little bit closer to the heart of Acadiana, still the last bit of the showers here in central Lafayette Parish, extending down into Vermilion Parish, and then also off to the east, good part of Iberia. St. Mary Parish is still dealing with this light to moderate rainfall here at the top of the hour. You can see all of this gradually moving from the southwest to the northeast. So for eastern Acadiana, still going to be dealing with some of these showers over the next several hours, but nothing too terribly bad, mostly just light to moderate in nature. So rain chances not completely zeroed out overnight tonight. Temperatures cool, upper 50s. That's where we'll start the day tomorrow, and it's going to be a cloudy, dreary day for our Saturday. High temperatures limited mid to upper 60s. Still a few misty sprinkles out there throughout the day, but rain chances at a soft 30 to 40%. Again, do not expect a whole lot of rainfall through the course of this weekend. Upper 50s for the start on Sunday, and then plenty of clouds throughout the day on Sunday. Temperatures a little bit milder. We'll be pushing into the 70s. Rain chances down 10 to 20%, but that's going to change Monday into Tuesday. Here's why. A slug of deep tropical moisture is going to be lifting northward from the Caribbean. On top of that, an area of low pressure is going to be induced and developed just off the southeast Texas coastline, and as those two kind of interact with one another, we're going to see widespread rainfall developing across the Gulf of Mexico. That rain is going to get shuttled off here into Acadiana beginning Monday night, going into Tuesday. And notice the red magenta color showing up here. That's an indication that we're going to see some heavy rainfall at times, so we'll be watching that. And then as Tuesday wears on, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday, bulk of the activity is going to start to push out of here, but we're left with cloud cover, and those clouds are going to stay stubborn really throughout the entirety of next week, even when the rain does kick out of here. Speaking of rainfall amounts through this weekend, again, not going to see a whole lot, but notice as we head into Monday and Tuesday, rainfall amounts start to pile up. Widespread 2 to 4 inches possible here in Acadiana, but certainly there will be some isolated hot spots of 3 to 6. So it's just something we'll keep an eye on. Since we've been so dry, not really expecting a widespread flooding issue, but you get that kind of rainfall to fall in a short period of time. Could get some isolated flash flooding, so we'll keep an eye on that. Compare this, the European model to the GFS model. A little bit lower amounts, but still showing a decent soaking heading into early next week. So we'll take the rainfall for sure, just hopefully not coming down too hard too quickly. 57 or so will be the projected low tonight, with some patchy light rain remaining for some of you through the overnight hours, but nothing too terribly bad. 68 will be all we can muster tomorrow. Cloudy, dreary type of day with periods of light mist, drizzle possible at times, but again, rain chances soft at a 30 to 40%, down to 20% on Sunday. A little bit milder as highs push into the 70s. Here's the highest rain chances Monday night into Tuesday at around 80 to 90%. Rainfall could be heavy at times. High temperatures limited to the 60s. Thereafter, rain chances go down for the rest of next week, but we're left with mostly cloudy skies. Slight warm up. Hopefully we'll see temperatures, hopefully we see the sun returning as we head into next weekend with highs in the 70s. Well, that is a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more coming up after the break.